We come here camping every year, ever since I was little. Back then, I didn't know how to do stuff, but I'm not a kid anymore. Now I know all the right ways to do things. Maybe my dad doesn't think so, but I can do anything he can. And when he tells me what to do, I do things on my own. Like I can ride my bike anywhere I want because I know all the trails. And if something goes wrong, I can fix it, no matter what it is. Even if he thinks he needs to show me how. My mom thinks the most important part of the day is when we all sit down for dinner. Even though we're in the middle of the woods, she can always make that happen. Every year we send Grandma a new picture of me, just so she can tell us how I'm growing up so fast. At least she sees it. Because Dad forgets. He taught me how to look at the stars way back when I was little. I can do it better than him now. What I'm saying is my dad thinks he knows everything, but I'm not a kid like how he sees me. And I don't need his help. I don't need anyone's help. Well, Dad, I guess you do know something. But not like everything.